Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the Google Play Store on iPhone and iPad. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, search for Safari and tap on it. Under Safari Settings, you'll see the default browser app. Just leave that as it is. Then, in the Searches section, check the options and turn on the toggles for block pop-ups, require Touch ID to unlock private browsing, and not secure connection warning to increase your privacy. No. We scroll down and tap on Advanced. Then turn on the toggle for Block All Cookies and confirm by tapping Block All. After that, go back and open the Safari browser. In the search bar, type www.appsave.club and hit Enter. Once the site loads, look through the available apps and tap on Google Play. Now, tap on Start Injection to begin the process. You'll see a loading screen showing that the injection is in progress. Once it's complete, tap on Download app to begin downloading. For more information, check out the links given in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.